More Than 99 fam, and I'm back at it again with another video. This video I just kind of want to touch on something that's a big misconception, and that's credit rehabilitation versus credit repair. With credit repair, you or someone else is contacting the creditors, contacting the credit bureaus, and trying to dispute things on your credit and get them removed. Yes, this is a great aspect. I believe it's a foundation for credit rehabilitation, but everybody's real goal is credit rehabilitation. You want to be able to use your credit in the future. So with that being said, if you go through credit repair and you still have derogatory marks, you still have 3-4 derogatory marks, do not just hang up the towel. Do not just quit on yourself. Do not just freak out and say, well, I'm not going to be able to get a car, I'm not going to be able to do anything because of the situation. Go find a bank, go to Capital One, go to a credit union, go somewhere, get you a secured card, or find you a store card. You can start building your credit with store cards. Find you a good store card, Fingerhut, a Kohl's, even if you choose to use like a New Coast Direct or My Jewelers Club. Find something that you can put on your credit to start rehabbing. While you're repairing your credit, you also need to be building good credit. Because I may have 4 bad things on my credit. However, if I can create 20 good things, the good great vastly outweighs the bad, and creditors will start to look at me and extend me credit again. And I can't say this anymore. I have done credit repair for multiple people, and they all end up with still having 2-3 things left on their report. Okay, well, they're 2-3 things. However, with those 2-3 things on their report, they're still getting funding. I've had someone get $3,000 credit cards back to back. Someone with a Capital One card, a Kohl's card, a Target card, all these little $300, $500 cards add up. Then you go to a store and you may get a $3,000 installment loan. Something else to put on your credit. Do not give up on your credit and rehabbing your credit because of something like that. I know a lot of people, I don't have the money for a secured card. If you manufacturers bid, you put the $200 up front for the secured card. When you get paid, you swipe the card up, and as long as you have it paid down before that statement date, your credit score won't take a hit. But on the other hand, even if, and I know there's going to be a lot of backlash on this, but even if on your statement date, your card posts high, it's better to have a card than not to, as long as you're paying that minimum payment at least. As long as you're under your maximum limit and paying your minimum payment, it is better to have the card and build the history, build that time on your report, than to not have a card and have been wasting time. Get that card, put it on your credit profile, and build your credit, rebuild your credit, rehab your credit. The rebuilding process is the most important part of credit repair. Building new trade lines to allow yourself to start to get access to more funding, building that credit history, building those relationships with the different banks. Like I said, there's certain banks that they may not be known for giving out high limits. However, they may have various cards that may allow you to build up a strong base or strong foundation. You can get 3 or 4 cards out of this bank, and then you want to go back to them for a high limit. If you're responsibly using those cards, you can do that. If you get a secured card, and like I said, even if it posts maxed out a couple times until you can start to get back ahead, you're able lines up with your finances to pay that card before the statement date, you can go ahead and open up a unsecured card because you show the low utilization, you show the history of having a card. So right now, while we still have the advantage of FICO not pulling from previous months, it's only taking a snapshot of right now, take advantage of this. But again, I want to thank you all for watching my videos. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Get this information out to as many people as possible. And I'll see you in the next video.